talking about fans, one city that absolutely loves its sport. We'll take you live to Kolkata. Anirban, my colleague, joins us from there. Anirban, just show us the scenes from the city of joy.
Exactly so. Super proud of our girls. I'm holding the national flag right now. And India today, India is super proud of our girls. As we are already proud of Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli. But today, we are raising the slogan for Dipti Sharma, for Richa Ghosh, for Smriti Mandhana, for Jemima Rodriguez, and for all the girls, those who have played for India and made a history towards a World Cup. And right now, you can see all over Kolkata are celebrating the win of India. And we will talk to the fans over here. Just say how much proud you are. आप कितने proud हो Indian team को लेके?
बहुत प्राउड फील कर रहा हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा प्राउड फील कर रहा हूँ. ये अभी मतलब ये हिस्ट्री क्रिएट हो चुका है, तो मेरा भैया बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा बोल सकता है.
So today, the way Indian team played, and we know that two of the girls from Bengal, Richa Ghosh and Dipti Sharma, has played extremely well, and the team effort has given a World Cup today for the first time ever in the history of the Women's World Cup. So how you are going to celebrate, and this night is unremarkable and rememberable.
First of all, I want to say that right now I am not that in that position to express my feelings. But I just want to say that being a cricket fan, I have always seen that boys are winning or losing. We are winning World Cup, we are winning series or everything else. But today I want to say from my heart that our women's are not behind from our women's. Okay? Our women can do everything if they can give their best, if they got opportunity, if they got chances, they can beat anyone in this world. Because I want to say, because they are Indian women. We Indians always say Bharat Mata ki jai, Bharat Mata ki jai. Maybe I am going wrong, but Bharat Mata ki jai. And these women have done their best. They have proven that Indians can do anything, whether it's men or women.
Well, Nikhil, when we say that the world speaks for the women empowerment, and it's a very emotional moment for all of us, because this is the first time we have witnessed it. 1983, we have witnessed many wins before, but this is something special. This is something special to celebrate today in whole country as well in Kolkata, as the people over here right now is celebrating, and this party will go on overnight. What you have to say about our girls, that they have made us super proud?
They have won the World Cup and we are very proud of them. लड़के भी अच्छा कर रहे, लड़कियां भी.
Let me interrupt. Today, I am that much happy as 22nd April when Dhoni has lifted the World Cup. I am same happy today when Harmanpreet will lift the World Cup. Because it's not boys or girls, it's India. It's India, and India win the World Cup. But I proud for my girls, I proud for our women, I proud for our mothers. And today, India won the World Cup, whether it's girls or boys. But I respect girls. Go on! I just want to say, go on!
Well, the people are saying that it's just the beginning of the moment, and it will go on, and India will lift many more World Cups, many more T20 World Cup, many more ICC Test Championship in the forward. And right now, the celebration will go on, and it's a moment for us, for the Indians, for the India today. Over to you, Nikhil.
Okay, Anirban, thank you for that. Live updates we are bringing to you from across the country. You can see those pictures, and those pictures are actually speaking to everyone. You can see the excitement, the joy on the faces of the fans that are out on the streets well past midnight. The game that started on 2nd of November you will be lifting the trophy on the 3rd of November. But 2nd November is going to be a day that will be etched in the history of not just Indian cricket, I'd say in the history of the country itself, because this is actually the coming of age of Indian women's cricket. The 1983 moment, as you heard from some fans describing this, there was another fan from Kolkata, excited, jubilant, talking about feeling exactly the same as he felt when MS Dhoni lifted the World Cup trophy in 2011. He's feeling exactly that when Harmanpreet Kaur, shortly from now, maybe moments away now, that she will be lifting that title for the very first time. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just put out a post on social media platform X where he's written, "Spectacular win by the Indian team. Performance in the final was marked by great skill as the team had been showing so far." So team showed exceptional teamwork. Congratulations to all our players. This historic win will motivate future champions. So that is the first reaction that's coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who of course is a keen watcher of Indian sport across all sports and has often been seen tweeting about the performances of Indian athletes. He is also, as you can make out from that post, ecstatic with the performance that the Indian women's team has put up.